Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a rope attachment for a cable pulley system, I want to show you this one from AWEFRANK. It is a really nice quality, durable rope attachment that you can use for tricep pull downs and lots of other things. So whether you work out at home like I do, or you're in a public gym, it's really nice to have your own rope attachment. So at home, I have a very limited space where I can work out. So being able to just add a small attachment to my existing squat rack system is really nice to add variety, and it doesn't take up a lot of storage space. When I went to a public gym, I always found that the rope attachments were completely shredded, or they were just really hard to find and get a hold of. So having your own to bring with you to a gym is awesome as well. It comes with a steel carabiner as well as the steel buckle, and that buckle moves really freely, which is awesome as well. So it's not fixed in one place. I also appreciate this durable nylon braided rope. Super, super strong. This is not going anywhere. Even if you have a lot of weight loaded on this, it is definitely going to hold. And these handles at the end are made of a thick, durable plastic as well. And these are awesome. So it keeps your hands from slipping off, even if they're sweaty, and it helps you to have a really good grip on the rope. So I love to use this for all different exercises. Of course, it's perfect for tricep pull downs, also great for lat pull downs. You can do standing chest presses, ab work, lower body work. There's just so many things that you can do with this and add a little bit of variety to your workout. So if you are in need of a rope attachment for your cable pulley system, I would definitely recommend this one from AWEFRANK. I've been really happy with it. It works super well. It's easy to attach. It's well made and really, really strong. And that is my point of view.